Hi everyone, I'm Kenneth from HardwareZone, and today we'll be going to Zedtown. So what is Zedtown? Basically, it's a zombie apocalypse where people kill zombies and each other. So here in Zedtown, what do we have? We have zombies, survivors, which are further broken down into red and blue teams. For that matter, I'm in the blue team. We are given a Nerf gun to defend ourselves, but we can only use them to shoot the zombies and not other survivors. The blue team has been tasked to collect a payload of supplies before the red team, all the while avoiding zombies in the town. And we have to avoid getting caught by the zombies. Otherwise, we'll turn into zombies ourselves. With that, let's grab our Nerf guns and go to Zedtown.
This is your dog tag. So you have your Zedtown app?
Yes.
Yep, so you will have to scan this and you will be automatically registered.
Are you ready to be a hero? Yeah! I like that. I'm going to tell you, in a game of 2,000 people, we normally see 5 to 10 survivors. Zedtown is brutal. Okay, so very soon we're going to jump into gameplay, and we have a red team right here and a blue team over there. We've got one more character who's going to come in soon. That's going to be Agent Bar.
My name is Citizen Fairchild, and I've come to warn you, quarantine zones 1, 2, and 3 have failed. You cannot trust Agent Barker and you need to get out. Again, you are not safe. The zombies are coming. You need to get out. Open the door. Get out! Red team! Let's go! Blue team out! Come on, Red! Let's show them! Red team! Let's go! Team Red! We'll see you on the third floor.
So we're supposed to find the payload. Not sure how that's going to work, but only one way to find out.
So where's the payload? I heard it's with the zombies. Oh dear. Oh no, they're shooting one another! I've been bitten! What's happening to me? I wanna eat brains! Turn into a zombie. Now I'm chasing survivors. Wow. I didn't know I can run so fast.
Good job, zombie.
I need to scan their dog tags in order to register them. It's called Zedtown for a reason. Bullets are flying around. Zombies aren't scared. I didn't know zombies can do lion dance too. And the survivors are struggling to protect themselves. Being a zombie is not easy too. You got shot, left, right, center. But I don't feel anything. It's not that bad. I lost my life, but I killed 2 people. Finally, it's over.
I guess for starters, 2 is fine.
what an experience. Well, it turns out I won't survive a zombie apocalypse. I died. Really fast. But I came back as a zombie and I killed 2 people. You know what? It was really fun. I think I like being a zombie. Rawr!